Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Volet and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at Volet.com, and let's just take a look at their homepage here. Volet is a payment platform loaded with features. Send, receive, exchange, spend, manage your digital money effortlessly. And you can create a free account now. So with Volet, you can have your money, crypto, and cards in a single account. Send, receive free instant P2P transfers, deposit and withdraw on hundreds of websites, get a plastic virtual card to spend anywhere. All your money and assets are fully covered and secured, 100% safe, regulated, multi-tier account protection, 24/7 live agent support. With Volet, hundreds of websites support Volet.com e-wallets for deposits and withdrawals. Adding and moving money have never been easier. Look for our logo on your preferred digital currency, affiliate, or exchange platform. Pay or get paid hassle-free. Get paid by employers or affiliate programs. Receive CPA network payouts. Easily distribute funds in your team. Automate mass payouts. B2B, B2C, and crypto. Free instant peer-to-peer transfers, USD, Euro, and more, 9 currencies and counting. Move money and digital assets across Volet instantly. No fees for personal users. Family, friends, your team, send and receive easily. Get cash back on merchant websites. Pay with your Volet digital wallet and get rewards. Get 0.5% instant cash back from any amount you spend or deposit on eligible merchant websites. Make money with our referral program. Limit lifetime rewards, no time limit. Get paid whenever your referral pays fees or activates a Volet.com card. It's available for both personal users and merchants. So let's ask and see what AI thinks of Volet. Well, Volet is generally considered legitimate, has a high overall assessment of 8.8 out of 10, and a trust score of 4.2 out of 5 based on customer reviews. The platform offers a reliable payment system with fast transactions and quality customer service, although some users have reported issue with the verification process and card management. Volet has been in operation since 2014 and is based in Toronto, Canada, with a company owner named Queensland Foreign Exchange Incorporated. The website has a valid SSL certificate indicating secure communication between the user's computer and the site. However, some reviews suggest proceeding with caution due to questionable practices such as hidden WHOIS data and potential issues with card replacement. It's advisable to verify the legitimacy of the site directly from its official sources and to be cautious of phishing attempts. So, the general consensus, Volet seems to be a trustworthy site. It does seem to have good reviews, good trust score. However, there are some concerns with security that is fairly typical of most sites, especially where money is involved. There's always some risk, and you hope that the institution that you're working with has strong security. In Volet's case, it seems pretty good. The reviews seem to be pretty positive, but just bear that in mind whenever you are engaging in an online platform where there's money involved. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.